Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video, and I hope all of you guys are having a fantastic day. And now today we're working on a 2012 Volkswagen Passat, and it's in for an interior detail. And as you guys saw from the previews, there's milk and things all over the place. But don't worry, as you know, we're gonna transform this car and make it look brand new again. And before starting with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any videos like this. And also don't forget to like this video, leave any comments, and now let's get started. Alrighty, now starting with this detail, I went ahead and took the seats out, and sometimes it can get just a little tricky when unplugging the cables from the seats. Some cars are really easy to do, some cars are a little trickier, or just the way I see it, the fancier the car is, the more cables it's got and a little trickier it is. But that's the behind the seats that you gotta go through whenever removing the seats. Alrighty, now right after taking all the personal items and trash out the vehicle, it's now time to vacuum. And just for you guys that are wondering, I'm using the rigid 4-gallon portable vacuum, and it's been an amazing experience. I've never had any problems, and it's just great with those separate accessories. And if you guys want to get or just want to take a look at this, I have all the links in the description and down below. And also one other thing that I wanted to mention is that I love when cars have these type of carpets, because it's just a lot easier to vacuum and it's a lot easier to get all the debris out, as when you have those cheap carpets, and it's just a whole nightmare to detail or to finish vacuuming. Alrighty, now starting with the interior, which wasn't really bad. It was just some places that were spilled with milk, but overall it wasn't too dirty or too grimy. But I still used my favorite combo with my detailing brush, with Macguire's all-purpose cleaner diluted 10:1, and a microfiber towel. Alright, and now to clean these leather seats, I'm using Chemical Guys leather cleaner with the combination of this color lock brush, which is by far my favorite brush as it doesn't have any of the bristles falling off like I've used or seen in any other brushes. And now for those of you wondering, I have a few different types of carpet solutions, but in this case I was using super clean diluted 20:1 as this carpet was not super dirty. And now when I use the extractor, I have to put hot water on it every single time as I use it, as it's not a heated extractor. And then I spray hot water on the first pass, and on the second pass I try to pick up as much of the water and the solution. And then if I have to repeat the process, I repeat the process as much needed as I start seeing clear water, or to the point that I'm really satisfied with the results. And as always, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to smash the like button. Alright, and as usual, after cleaning all the interior, it's now time to protect it, and I'm using 303 aerospace UV protectant to protect all the interior from the UV rays, and also just to make this car look like brand new again. And just like the whole interior needs to be protected, the leather seats also need UV protection, and it also will help avoid any cracking over time. Alright, and as always, we've reached the end of today's video. I really hope all of you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like it, comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already, as we're almost about to hit 6,000 subscribers, and I'm really thankful for it with you guys, as you guys make up this channel. So again, thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.